morning, good afternoon, or good evening, and welcome back to Salvage Rescues. Hope you're well and you had a good week. For those of you who subscribed so far, thank you very much appreciated. For those of you who are not yet subscribed, please do if you want to follow the average Joe. Moving into the world of repairing crash damaged cars on his driveway, then please hit that subscribe button, give it the thumbs up and follow the channel. A little bit different today, we're still waiting on parts for the mocker, so today we'll be replacing the rear door of a Mercedes C220. As you can see behind me, the rear door's had a scrape on the side. I actually hit the gate post of the house, so we've got a replacement door from Syntec, big kudos to them. So we'll be removing the door and replacing it with this new one. So what I'll do is I'll do the normal, set you up, and then yeah, you can see how I get on changing the rear door. So it was a little bit trickier than I first anticipated. When I first put it on, the bottom hinge didn't go into the hole, and I thought it had. But yeah, it's on now anyway. Let's get rid of this before it scratches the paint. I just need to check to make sure everything works, so make sure the windows work and it locks okay. Let's put that down. Where's the keys? So hopefully it all locks okay. Yep. And opens. Oh yeah. So yes, pretty straightforward really. Like I say, all the shuts are equal. Just need to replace the trim and also change that to matte rather than gloss. But yeah, all in all, good job. I just want to make sure the windows work. Let's do that quickly. Yep. So yeah, good job. So now we've confirmed everything's working okay, just got to change over the door card. So remove all the door card and yeah, plug all the connections in and the internal door handle. So I'll set you up again and then yeah, we'll commence removing of this. So that's the rear door on and completed now. All successful, everything works. Electric windows work inside and out, speakers working, door handles works both inside and out. As you can see, shuts perfectly. No problem with that whatsoever. Just need to get that chrome trim changed to match the existing, and also this. I would have thought we could just get a wrap on there just to make it match the existing. A couple of small bits of damage still there and there. So I'll take it to the body shop, see if they can get that repaired for me. And then yeah, the car's complete. So if you like this video, please like it, thumbs up. Also please subscribe to follow me on this journey. And also any comments you have, put them in the comment section please. Turn on your notifications. And yeah, let's see you in the next video. I've got some exciting projects turning up, so the journey will continue. If you want to follow me on it, like I say, subscribe to the channel and you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you very much everyone. See you very soon. Goodbye.